What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be changing the third brake light on a Chevy Suburban. This is an '05, but it's the same procedure from 2000 to 2006. This will also work on the Tahoes and the GMC Yukons. So when this burns out, the third brake light, you have to actually replace the whole little light panel. It's not just the bulb inside. I picked this one up for about 25 bucks on Amazon. I've had it in a couple months. So far, so good. I'll put a link to that in the description box below, the one I bought off Amazon. And the only thing you're gonna need to get this out is a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll go ahead and open our hatch. So we need to take out these two Phillips head screws, this one and this one. So after we do that, this will kind of just pull towards us and down. And it's gonna be sitting in this rubber seal that you'll be able to just kind of pull off of here. Then we have this clip right here, and you'll just push that up like that. And then, as I said, I already replaced this one, so I'm gonna put this same one back in, but when you have your new one, you'll just put it back in this rubber seal as this is. That. And when you're putting it in, just watch this little thing on the back. It fits in this hole right here, this little guide. Before we do that though, we'll clip the light back on. Sits in there like that. Put our screws back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps the channel out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.